Welcome, riders! Today, we're talking about 7 budget-friendly cruiser motorcycles that might just blow your mind. These bikes offer way more than you'd expect in terms of power, style, and performance. Stick around, because the number 1 pick might surprise you. Number 7. Moto Morini Calibro 700. The Moto Morini Calibro 700 is a motorcycle that punches well above its weight, priced around $5,999. This bike boasts a 693cc engine that delivers a solid 68 horsepower, providing the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Its unique Italian styling will turn heads as you cruise through town. But it's not just about looks. The Calibro 700 offers an engaging, smooth ride that's ideal for both novice and experienced riders. Picture yourself weaving through winding country roads, the deep rumble of the engine beneath you, as the Calibro 700's stable handling makes every turn feel effortless. The 17.7 liters fuel tank ensures you can explore without frequently stopping for gas, and the low-slung design gives it a refined, muscular presence on the road. This is the perfect bike for riders who want something distinctive with a bit of bite, ideal for those who crave a unique cruiser with a bit more performance and flair. It's a great option for longer journeys, as well as city commutes. However, if you're seeking something lightweight and nimble for more aggressive handling or track days, the Calibro 700 might not be your ideal match. Its weight and size could feel cumbersome for some riders, especially in tight city spaces. Number 6. Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. The Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 is a cruiser that delivers more than what its price suggests, typically around $7,000. With its 648cc parallel twin engine, it brings 47 horsepower to the table, offering smooth, reliable power for cruising down the highway or navigating city streets. The bike's retro-inspired design stands out, giving you a sense of nostalgia and adventure in every ride. Imagine hitting the open road with the wind sweeping through your helmet, feeling confident on this sturdy machine. The Super Meteor's low seat height and comfortable ergonomics ensure that your ride is smooth and easy, making it perfect for those long trips or daily commuting. The 15.7 liters fuel tank means you can enjoy those rides without constantly worrying about fuel stops. If you're a cruiser enthusiast who enjoys a blend of classic styling and modern performance, the Super Meteor 650 is for you. It's ideal for riders seeking both comfort and capability, especially for those embarking on long road trips. However, if you're a rider who craves cutting-edge technology or needs a more agile bike for aggressive cornering, you might find the Super Meteor 650 a bit more relaxed than you're used to. Number 5. BMW R12. The BMW R12, priced at around $12,645, is a sleek and sophisticated cruiser that blends modern technology with classic cruiser charm. With its 1170cc engine producing 95 horsepower, the R12 offers exceptional performance, whether you're riding through city streets or on a weekend getaway. Its clean, elegant design makes it stand out, and it's loaded with technology that elevates the riding experience. Imagine the thrill of hitting the open road on the R12, the engine purring beneath you as you effortlessly glide through turns with the help of its advanced suspension system. The bike's 15 liters fuel tank ensures you won't have to stop often, allowing you to focus on the ride. Its smooth handling and strong acceleration make it an exhilarating experience for any rider. This bike is perfect for riders who want a premium cruiser with modern tech and exceptional performance. If you're looking for a bike that delivers power, comfort, and advanced features like heated grips and a fully digital display, the BMW R12 is a great option. However, if you prefer a more stripped-down, simple cruiser with minimal tech and a lower price tag, the the 12th of May feel a bit too advanced and costly for your taste. Its high-tech features might not appeal to riders looking for a more traditional cruiser experience. Number 4. Indian Scout 60. Bobber, the Indian Scout. 60 Bobber is a bike that exudes personality and performance, priced at approximately $9,999. With a 999cc V-twin engine delivering 85 horsepower, the Scout 60 Bobber combines power with style, offering a thrilling ride while keeping a vintage flair. Its bold design with a low-slung seat and fat tires makes a statement, while the ride itself is smooth, agile, and full of excitement. Imagine cruising along a deserted road, the growl of the engine beneath you, as the Scout 60 Bobber's lightweight build and quick handling make every twist and turn feel natural. The 13 liters fuel tank gives you a decent range, making it perfect for both daily rides and spontaneous weekend getaways. It's a bike that keeps your adrenaline pumping without sacrificing comfort. This is an ideal bike for riders who love the classic bobber style, but also want modern performance and reliability. If you're after something that looks like a custom build, but rides like a factory model, the Scout 60 Bobber is a great choice. However, if you're looking for a more comfortable cruiser, with a focus on long-distance touring or one that has advanced tech features, the Scout 60 Bobber might not be the best fit. Number 3. Triumph Bonneville Speedmaster. The Triumph Bonneville Speedmaster, priced around $13,995, is a true classic with a modern edge. Powered by a 1200cc parallel twin engine, producing 77 horsepower, the Speedmaster delivers a smooth, responsive ride that strikes the perfect balance between style and performance. Its iconic British design, complete with retro elements, makes it a head-turner on any road. But it's more than just looks. The bike is built to handle both long-haul trips and daily rides with ease. Picture yourself cruising down an open highway, the wind in your face, as the Speedmaster's refined handling and powerful engine make you feel in control of every twist and turn. The 12 liters fuel tank ensures you can go the distance without constantly stopping to refuel, while the bike's plush suspension offers comfort even on longer rides. It's a cruiser that excels in both comfort and performance, making it perfect for a variety of riders. This bike is ideal for riders who want a versatile, stylish cruiser with modern performance. If you're someone who enjoys the classic cruiser experience, but with added comfort and power for longer journeys, the Bonneville Speedmaster is an excellent choice. Number 2. QJ Motor SRV 300. The QJ Motor SRV 300 is an affordable cruiser that doesn't shy away from delivering a thrilling ride. With a 296cc engine producing 30 horsepower, this bike strikes the perfect balance of power for both new and seasoned riders looking for a fun, accessible option. It's priced at approximately $4,849, offering fantastic value for its performance and design. Imagine yourself cruising down a winding coastal road, the wind in your face, with the SRV 300's relaxed yet nimble handling effortlessly gliding through each turn. It's a bike that invites you to slow down and enjoy the journey, with its retro design and smooth throttle response. The 13.5 liters fuel tank promises decent range, making it an ideal choice for short to mid-range trips. This is the perfect bike for the casual cruiser rider who values style and simplicity. If you're after a bike that offers a more laid-back experience, but with just enough power for some spirited riding, the SRV 300 is an excellent pick. If you're a rider looking for a high-performance cruiser or need something for longer highway trips, the SRV 300 might feel a bit underpowered. Number 1. Yamaha Bolt R-Spec. The Yamaha Bolt R-Spec, priced around $8,300, is a bike that takes classic cruiser vibes and adds a modern twist. With a 942cc V-twin engine producing 65 horsepower, the Bolt offers smooth acceleration and plenty of power for riders who want to enjoy both relaxed rides and a bit of excitement on the open road. Its minimalist, raw design is a nod to custom cruisers, but with factory reliability and craftsmanship. Imagine cruising through a quiet morning street, the rumble of the engine giving you a sense of control and power. The Bolt R-Spec's low seat height and ergonomic design make it a breeze to ride, and the 13 liters fuel tank ensures you can keep rolling for miles without constant refueling stops. Whether it's city streets or open highways, the Bolt feels at home in a variety of settings. This bike is great for riders who want a versatile cruiser with a punch. It's perfect for those who enjoy a minimalist aesthetic and solid, dependable performance without breaking the bank. Its low seat and comfortable ergonomics make it great for long cruises or quick jaunts around town. Which bike do you think took the top spot? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more exciting reviews.